everyone, we're here again for another episode. Today we're making beef pho with chicken balls and fish balls. I am making my own version, so I am only using whatever is available. We need one big piece of broccoli, cut it into smaller pieces, one package of chicken balls, cut it into four parts, 1 pound of thin slices beef shank, 4 small pieces of onion, 2 pieces of the size of the thumb ginger, cut it into thin slices, 1 bowl of bean sprouts, some basil leaves, 4 teaspoons of beef pho paste, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1 and 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of soy sauce or fish sauce. Step 1, heat up the pan and then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the ginger and the onions. Saute it until it's a little bit brown. Then fill the pot with 3/4 water. Add 1 teaspoon of cloves. Cover the pot and let it boil for a little bit. Then add the beef paste. I'm using a paste because it's easier to make the broth. If you don't want to use a paste, you can also buy beef bones and boil it for a couple of hours to make the broth. From here, we put all our ingredients like the soy sauce, the bouillon powder, and slowly stir it so the ingredients are mixed properly. Add 1 and 1/2 teaspoons salt, or you can make it 2 teaspoons of salt. Add some dash of cinnamon. To add more flavor, you can add some cardamom seeds and some star anise. But because I'm using the paste, it has that already, so I don't need it. Once the broth is boiling, you can remove all the spice. Set it to low heat and we can cook the beef because this is thin slices, so you can cook it for like 1 minute and then you set it aside. Because sometimes if you add the beef on the bowl, sometimes it doesn't cook, so I want it cooked. And we cook the chicken balls for like 2 minutes and we set it aside after. Next is the fish balls and set it aside after. In another pot, let's boil another water and we cook the vegetable from there. We just need to blanch the vegetable for less than a minute. Then the noodles, we cook it for like 3 minutes and then rinse it with cold water. And then after that, put it back again for 3 minutes and that's it. So rinse it with cold water to stop the noodles from cooking so it's not mushy. And this is it, it's all cooked. So all we need to do is to build our soup. We need a big bowl. So first we need to put the noodles at the bottom. Then we add our meat. Then we put the vegetables. And then we put the basil at the top. Once it's all assembled, you can just add the broth. Dinner is ready. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you will continue to support me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please comment below if you have any suggestion. Thank you.